This is everything. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to unbox together the Nyx Advent Calendar, and it is this one here. It is super pretty and it is called the Sugar Trip. The price of it is €49.45 and we get 24 products. I love the design. It is sugar inspired. I think this is my favorite design of all the advent calendars that I have unboxed. As always, at the end of the video I will have the final cost of all the products that we get in this advent calendar, and we're going to see if it is more than what I have paid. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite product by NYX Cosmetics. Mine is the high definition blush in the shade Hamptons. I use that blush all the time. Share this video with a friend that likes advent calendars. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. Oh my god, this is so pretty! This is a highlighter, Pop and Rock, a lavender highlighter that I never use on me, and it is very soft and creamy. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a full face makeup look using the products of the advent calendar. I have done the same with the other advent calendars. Number two. This is a soft matte metallic lip cream in the shade Nantes. I will do another video for the lip swatches, and this is how this lip cream looks. It is peachy, it is golden. I don't usually use metallic lip products on my lips because they intensify everything on my lips, but I want to see how this looks. Why not? With this advent calendar it is very easy to open the little openings. Number 3 is a cream lipstick in the shade Starstruck. The color looks very beautiful. I like this for a Christmas makeup look. Number 4 is this little cutie pie, and it is a highlighter in the color Cinnamon Spice. That's a golden highlighter. Let's see how it looks on me. This is a duochrome. It is a golden highlighter with a green sheen. It is very beautiful. I think it will look very nice on someone with a darker skin tone. It's not very complimentary for my skin tone, so most likely I will use it as an eyeshadow. Next we have the Intense Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Sweet Nothing. This is how the color looks. I think it will look fantastic on someone with darker skin tone. This is very glossy and rich in color. Next please! This is a matte lipstick in the shade Fluff Piece. This is a very light pink matte lipstick. It is very creamy. I like that the packaging is not cheap, you know. Even in the smaller size, it looks so elegant and sleek. Number 7 is the soft matte lip cream in the color Vienna. And it is this nude lavender color. Let's see how it looks. This one has a different applicator, and I think this one will look nice on me. What do you guys think? Number 8, we have a Catwoman. And we have another beautiful face product, a highlighter in the shade Candy Cloud. Okay, I think this one is a highlighter that I will love. This is a light pink highlighter, and this is how it looks. Yeah, I don't think I will use this one as a highlighter. I will try it to see how it looks, but it's not something for me that I will use every day. It has a light pink sheen, and if you like this type of highlighters, most likely you will like this one. Number 9 is here. This is everything. A lip oil. It is in the color Cranberry Mint, and I didn't know that NYX has lip oils. Again, the same issues. It smells like nothing or something chemical. I think that now that the weather is getting colder, I will use this one to hydrate my lips. It is very reflective. I like that. It looks like a lip gloss. Let me know if you use lip oils and if you have a favorite one. I'm not very sure how I will use this one. Is this for hydrating? Is this for removing lip products? Can you use it on top of lipsticks? No idea. If you know, let me know in the comments. After that we have number 10, and this one is a Sleep Tease full color lip oil, and it is in the shade Poppin. This is so creamy. The color is so pretty. Maybe this is something hydrating with also a lot of color. I have never heard of these products. Let me know if you have them and if you have them in a different shade and if you like them. Number 11 is another butter gloss, and this one is in the shade Glazy Days. That's a very pretty lip gloss for every day, and it is very shiny. Number 12 is a blush, and this is in the shade Lollipop Hot. This is very smooth, and it has a very beautiful pink peachy color, I think. I like this product. I can use it for my makeup looks. The next one is something very small, very pretty, very cute. This is the Cookie Cutter. It is a beautiful matte eyeshadow. You can use it to set your concealer or to highlight the brow bone. It is very creamy. It has very nice opacity. Without concealer, it looks very pigmented. 14 is another eyeshadow, and this is in the color Candy Stash. So this is a pink shimmery eyeshadow. Let's see how it swatches. And I think it is satin, not shimmery. This is a very nice eyeshadow if you don't like shiny eyeshadows for every day. And if you want to make it pop and ultra shiny, you can use it with a setting spray. Number 15, it is the lip oil in the shade Candy Pop. It has the same scent with the other lip oil. This is Candy Pop, and I'm going to swatch also this one, Cranberry Mint. I don't see a difference, guys. These are clear lip oils in a different name and different packaging. I don't know why we have two of them, because they are very similar. If you like these products, of course, you will not care that you get two of them, because these are mini products. Again, I don't know anything about these lip oils and if they have different properties. 16 is a matte lipstick in the color Sorbet, and it is this light blue color that we have here. It is very creamy and soft, and it has a very nice opacity. I have some blue lipsticks, but I don't have this one. I will definitely use it because it is so unique. 17 is here. The liquid lipstick in the shade Sleep. This is a muted purple pink color. 18 is the cream lipstick in the shade Peanut Brittle. I think for fall this color is fantastic. This is a muted orange brown color. If you like these colors, maybe you will like this one because it is so creamy. Number 18 is an eyeshadow in the shade Sweet Tooth. Let's see the color. Oh, it has cupcakes inside. So beautiful. This eyeshadow will look fantastic on the eyelid. And I am thinking that we will also get a darker eyeshadow for our crease so we can make an eye look. This is a very nice shimmery eyeshadow. 20 is another eyeshadow in the shade Whipped Mocha. This is our crease color in a matte finish, and this is a beautiful rich brown eyeshadow. Let's see also if it is pigmented. Oh, it is very soft. Look at this. Okay. That is so beautiful. This is a very nice eyeshadow if you want to intensify your eye look. You can also do a very beautiful chocolatey brown smoky eye look with this. All the eyeshadows are in a metallic case, so we can depot them and make an eyeshadow palette. Number 21 is the soft matte lip cream in the shade Kiev, and I'm guessing this is a black lipstick. I was right. This is not very easy to make it look opaque, but I will use it on my lips to see how it works. We have a very interesting color selection for the lip product. 22 is the liquid lipstick in the color Deep Rooted. This one reminds me of the 90s. And it is a rich brown color. Let me know if you like these brown lipsticks on you. I don't use them. 23 is an eyeshadow. This is in the color Twisted. This is a dark grey eyeshadow with a black eye pencil as a base on your eyelid. You can make a fantastic grey smoky eye look with this one because it has a very nice reflection. You can also do like a yellow eye look with this one and just apply it on the center of your eyelid. Number 24 is another eyeshadow, and this is in the color In Deep Trouble. That's a very beautiful shade. This is a dark purple eyeshadow, and this is a matte eyeshadow. very soft as well. The final cost of the products is 96 euros, which is almost double the amount of money that I have paid. On the Nyx website, they say that this is a limited edition box of goodies, and these products are limited edition. We got a lot of types of lip products. You can find the lip products, but they are in a different shade. I like the packaging, is very unique and creative. I like that the products are designed for the advent calendar. I also like the color selection of the eyeshadows, because you can create a lot of different makeup looks with these 6 eyeshadows that we get, and you will not need other eyeshadows to complete your eye makeup. We get a variety of lip colors. We don't have only everyday lip colors. We get a blue lipstick, a black one, also brown, lilac. In my opinion, this advent calendar is worth the money. I would like to see some different types of products, not so many lip products, like a translucent powder or a primer. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below what is your favorite product of this advent calendar, and also if you like the advent calendar and if you want to buy it or not. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!